Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I want to show you how you can start making money with print on demand. So print on demand is a really good business. It's a really good business model because yeah, you can start with very low upfront costs. So everything you need is an online store, and then you can connect your online store with your desired printing company. And I like to use Printful as my print company of choice. So and then all you have to do is you have to source the designs or make the designs and then put it onto your t-shirts, or even you can sell posters or stickers or everything you can imagine. So yeah, you can sell everything from t-shirts to mats to rugs and everything you can imagine. So it's a really good way to make some money. And yeah, if you are creative, then of course it is really easy for you to create your designs and to put it on the t-shirts and to sell designs. And yeah, if you want to know how you can start making your own store, I made a dedicated video about this. So visit my store, visit my YouTube channel, and there you can find my print on demand tutorial, and I also will link it up here somewhere, and you can click on it and then you can start creating your first store. So yeah, and the next thing is what I want to talk to you about is niche selection. So it is really important that you select a niche where you want to sell your product. So it is better to niche down and don't sell everything. So maybe you niche down into the pet niche. Maybe you like dogs, a specific breed of dogs. Then you create graphics about the specific breed of dogs. Or if you like technology, then you can do designs in the technology niche, and then you offer your product there. Because if you are going too broad, then yeah, the visitor don't know what you are selling exactly on your store and what you are specialized in. So in my opinion, it's much better to niche down. And yeah, if you want to sell sell products in the dog niche, for example, and then yeah, you can make posters of a specific dog niche or sell t-shirts in a specific dog niche, because it's always better to niche down than go too broad. Because when you are putting, for example, dog images or dog graphics and mix them together with technology, with the technology niche, so that makes absolutely no sense. And then people that go to your store, and then they lose the trust in your store, and yeah, then they are very careful of buying from you, because when you are offering everything under the sun, then it's yeah, it's not that good. And for the platform, of course, there are many different platforms you can choose. For example, you can choose Shopify or WooCommerce or a BigCommerce or everything. There are so many shop providers. So my recommendation, my personal recommendation, is go with WooCommerce and WordPress, because the software WooCommerce and WordPress is completely free. You don't have to pay monthly fees beside your hosting and your domain name, of course. But yeah, this is very cheap. So you get hosting and the domain name for $3 to $4 to $5 per month. And yeah, because if you are going with Shopify, for example, then the fees are way higher. So you have to pay at least, I think it is $30 per month to run the Shopify store. So in my opinion, if you are going with WooCommerce and WordPress store, it is much cheaper, and yeah, your options are much bigger to customize your store, and you can also integrate everything, every plugin, every function you want. So you are not limited in the functions, and also if you are a little bit, or if you are getting familiar and if you are learning WordPress and WooCommerce, then it's really easy, because at the beginning, of course, it's a little bit harder, it's a little bit confusing. But for this, like I said, I made a dedicated tutorial about how you can make your own print-on-demand shop with WooCommerce. So for this, visit my channel, my YouTube channel. There I have a 2-hour long tutorial on how you build your store. I will explain everything step by step. And I always will go with WordPress, because it's much easier in the long run, and of course much cheaper. So, and how to set up your print-on-demand store, it's really simple. So first of all, you have to create your WordPress or WooCommerce store, and then you can connect your store with, for example, with Printful. It's really easy and really straightforward. So you make your store here. For example, this is my store I'm currently building. So the store is not ready yet. You can see I only have one mug and one t-shirt here, but it's really simple. You create your store, and then you download a plugin from, in this case, from Printful, and then the plugin tells you everything what you have to do, and then you can automatically connect your WooCommerce store with Printful. So you can make a free Printful store here. You just simply log in, give them some information, and you don't have to pay for anything. It's completely free. You make your store here and then connect it. And here you can choose the product you want to customize. They have thousands and thousands of products, from t-shirt, backpacks, mugs, phone cases, hats, and rugs and mats and everything, poster and canvas and everything. Everything under the sun. So then you choose your desired product, and then you upload your design and configure everything, make everything beautiful, and then you can click one button, and then the product will get sent to your WordPress store or WooCommerce store, and there you can sell it. And if somebody buy your product, then they will pay for this, and in this case, Printful will automatically get informed that there's a new order on your store, and they will automatically print it for you, and then they will automatically ship it out for you. So you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is put in your credit card information. Of course, they want to get paid for this, and then they will they will print it for you, ship it out for you, and you have nothing to do. So it's really easy and really good business. If you are making some sales, then it's really profitable, because you have to make the product once, and then you can sell thousands and millions of products, and you don't have to do anything, because the payment process is everything automated, and the printing process on Printful is also completely automated. So they will automatically charge your credit card and print it for you and ship it out. And the price difference is your you take the price difference, and this is how you make money. And designing the product. So how you can design the product. If you are an expert, for example, in Photoshop, then it's of course really easy for you. But also you can use the free designing platforms like Canva, for example. Canva is really good if you're not familiar, if you're not a Photoshop expert, then try to use Canva. Canva is really good. Canva has a free version and also a paid version, so you can make all your designs in Canva. You can customize your design and then save it on your computer and upload it to the Printful platform and create your t-shirts or whatever products or posters, whatever you want to create and sell on your store. And you can the pricing and of the products this is really good with Printful. So the pricing is really easy. So if you are making the product here on Printful, they tell you exactly what are the costs you have to pay. If somebody orders ahead, for example, then they tell you this is $5, and here you can set your price span. So you can set, for example, 10% or 20% or 30% or whatever you want, what you want to have your price span. So it's really easy. So, and then next thing I want to tell you about is marketing and promotion. So I think this is, of course, the most important thing, because when you have your store ready and you have your store filled with all the great product and all the great images and graphics you have created, then of course you have to promote your products. And the best thing, of course, if you have, for example, an TikTok account with a huge following, then you can promote your store there or your product there. Or if you have an Instagram account with a large following, or a YouTube channel with a larger following, then you can promote your stuff there. And if you don't have this, then the next good thing is to buy ads. So for example, you can buy Facebook ads, you can buy Google ads, Bing ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads. And this is, of course, you can set up your campaign, and when you start your campaign, then you automatically at the same moment you get traffic to your store, you get people to your store, eyeballs to your store, and then they will buy your stuff. In the best case, of course, then they will buy your products. And so marketing is extremely important. If you don't have a large following, organic following, then you have to buy the ads and make traffic this way. So, and then of course, the last thing I want to tell you is analyzing the results and optimizing the results. So one great tool is for example, Google Trends. So Google Trends is completely free, and here you can see the trends data. For example, I put in pet shirts, for example, and then you can see exactly how the market is developing over the time. So this is for the last 12 months, and here you can put in everything you want, and you can see exactly how the market is developing, and what niche is booming right now, and what niche is not so booming. And you can try to figure out your exact niche, and maybe you can expand your niche with a similar product, for example. And this is how you can expand your business, and also, of course, expanding the ad revenue, what you are willing to spend. So, and this is everything I want to tell you about print on demand. So in my opinion, print on demand is a really good business. It's really easy to run and really profitable, because of course, you have the first time you have to put a lot of money into it, but then not a lot of money, a lot of energy or effort to create your store, especially if you are new to web design or e-commerce, then it can be a little bit hard. But for this, I made a complete 2-hour-long dedicated tutorial. So I will link it at the end of the video. You will see a card, you can click on it, and then I will explain you everything from how to find your domain name, how to set up hosting, how to install WordPress, WooCommerce, and how to set up your Printful store, how to design it, and everything. So I will put it at the end of the video, the card, click on it, and if you want to create your own store, then you can follow my tutorial. It's really good. I put a lot of effort in it, and so it's really good if you created your products and then make the ads, and then you don't have to do that much, because the whole process is automated. The customers will buy your products and pay for your products, and Printful will automatically print the stuff for you. Get the money from your credit card and automatically send it out to the customer. And this is really great. So if you want to make money, then I think it's print on demand is one of the best businesses here. So that's it for the video. So if you learned something new, then I would appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, if you like my videos, then of course I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more helpful videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, e-commerce, web design, and tips and tricks and all the good stuff. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.